Hey everybody, my name is Brian Bauman from Bauman's Farm and Garden, and I've assembled some brand new plants for 2019 that I am super excited about. The first one is a petunia called Burgandy Skies, and you can see the little white dots around the petunia petals makes it look like a starry night. It's the brother or sister of Night Sky and Pink Sky that have come out the last couple years. They make a stunning combination put together. Salvias are one of those flowers that bloom all summer long. There's a new series called Skyscrapers. There's a really cool orange, a beautiful purple, and also a brand new fuchsia, which is actually the sister plant to black and blue salvia that has long been a staple in my garden at my house, and I am really excited to see it bloom this year. Calibrachoas are also a great plant for that kind of part sun, part shade area. And this year we have two new varieties that are double. The first one is from proven winners called Lovelet. Beautiful kind of pink and white blossoms. The second one is another one that's called Pinktastic, another beautiful double blossom Calibrachoa. A very popular plant throughout the garden center this last year has always been strawberries. And every year I seem to come up and find new varieties. This variety has a beautiful red blossom, so it works great in containers as a flowering accent, but then throughout the summer, you are greeted with nice size blooming strawberries that taste fantastic. They've taken petunias and calibrachoas and they've combined the two of them to create a new plant called SuperCals. The SuperCals have come up with an amazing color called cinnamon. It's very unusual. I've never seen anything like it, and I'm excited to try it in some different combinations around the farm. A couple summers ago, I took a trip to Europe for a family wedding, and I was blown away. They had geraniums that were 6 to 7 feet tall, and I figured, okay, we have to figure out how to do that on the farm. And as you can see, I'm getting pretty close. We're almost up to 6 feet tall, and we now have starts of these available this year at Bauman Farms. It's a geranium called Piller Geraniums, and we have an orange, pink, and violet. For all of these really cool varieties throughout the season, come out to the farm and check it out. For more information, go to baumansfarmandgarden.com.